Yes, students, today we are going to learn about money. About money. So, what is money? Why we need money? So, money is very important in our life. So, why we need money? So, why it is so important? So, because to purchase, to buy something, we need money. So, that is why money is very important in our life. In our life, if you want to purchase something, means book, pencil, pen, chocolate, whatever, you need money. So without money we cannot buy, we cannot purchase, or to sell or to purchase something we need money. So calculating money is important in our life. So then what is the method, then how? So we calculate money. So when we buy something, or when we buy, when we purchase, or when we sell something. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about Indian currency, Indian money. So what we are going to learn in this chapter? See here. So first point, Indian money. So what Indian currency? So what we have? Indian means all our Indians. So Indian money. So what currency we are using in our country? What currency we are using in our country? What the currencies means? What the currency? Coins and currency notes. Coins, different coins and different currency notes we are using. So we are using in our daily life. So what coins and what currency notes we are using in our daily life. Then how to calculate, how to add our currency. Okay, this we are going to discuss in this chapter. Next, the second one, adding money. How to add money, how to add currency notes or coins, how to add. So that we are going to discuss. So this is our second concept, how to add money. First, so we are going to discuss about Indian money. So in Indian money, so what currency notes we are using and what currency coins we are using. First we discuss about that. Then after that, in the second concept, how to add money. How to add money means currency notes, coins, how to add. So that we are going to discuss in the second concept. And in the third concept, how to subtract, money. Okay, first money. So we are going to discuss about money, about Indian money. So then after that, the second one, how to add Indian money, then how to subtract Indian money. These three concepts we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, now the students, see here in review exercise, the first question is given what? So count the money and write the amount in the box. So we have to count the money and the total we have to write in the box. Okay, so total 4 questions are given, A, B, C, D. In these 4 questions we have to count and we have to write the sum in the box. Okay, see here. So what is given in the first picture? So here 50 rupees and 20 rupees Indian currency notes given. 50 rupees and 20 rupees. 50 and 20. 50 and 20 means 20. 50 and 20, that is sum 70. So what is the total amount? 70. The total sum is 70 rupees. Okay, one 50 rupees currency note is given, other one is 20 rupees currency note is given. Then 50 plus 20, the sum is 70 rupees. In the second question, see here 100 rupee note is given, currency note is given, and 20 rupees and 10 rupees. 100 rupee currency note, 120 rupees currency note, 110 rupees currency note. So then we have to find the sum. 100 plus 20, 120, 120, 120 plus 10, 130. So what is the total amount, total currency value? 130 rupees. This is the total currency notes value. So total 3 currency notes are given. So 100, next 20, next 10. 100 plus 20, 120, 120 plus 10, 130 rupees. 130 rupees total amount. In the next question number C, so what currency notes are given and currency coins also given. Notes and coins are given. Now What is the first currency note? 50 is the first currency note, and after that 20 is the second currency note. 50 plus 20, that is 60, 70. Total 50 plus 20 is 70. So 70 rupees in currency notes. Currency notes sum is 70. Then after that 10 rupee coin is given. One 10 rupee coin is given. Then 70 plus 10, 80. And after that 5 rupee coin is also there, coin also there, and 2 rupee coin also there, and 1 rupee coin also there. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 rupees. Means 50 plus 20, 70, 70 plus 10 rupee coin, 80. And after that more 8 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 1 rupee, total 8. Then the total amount is 88 rupees, 88 rupees. So the currency notes sum is 70, and coins value is 18. 70 plus 18, 88. 70 plus 18, total 88. Total 88. This is the currency, sum of currency notes and currency values, whatever is given. Okay. Now in the last question, currency coins are given. Indian currency coins are given. First coin 10 rupee coin, second coin 5 rupee coin, and third coin 1 rupee coin. So then add 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1 rupee coin, 15 plus 1, 16. The total amount is 16 rupees. So in that way, first whatever the currency notes and currency coins are given, so just we have to add the total sum, we have to write in the given box. Okay. Now the students see here, so now we are going to discuss about Indian money. So what Indian currency we are using? We are using in our daily life. Here before, so Indian money, so Indian currency and Indian coins we are using. Indian currency and Indian coins we are using. First Indian coins. What Indian coins we are using? Some of Indian coins presently we are not using, and some Indian coins we are using. So what coins we are not using? So here 10 rupee coin, 10 paisa coin, not 10 rupee coin, 10 paisa coin. See here, see in the animation it is given 10 paisa coin, 25 paisa coin and 50 paisa coin. Three coins are given, 10 paisa, 15 paisa and 25 paisa coins are given. These three coins presently we are not using. Presently we are not using the 10 paisa coin, 50 paisa coin and 25 paisa coin. These three coins we are not using. Then after that 1 rupee coin is given, and 2 rupee coin is given, 5 rupee coin is given, and 10 rupee coin is given. See there. So 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coins. These four coins we are using. These four coins we are using. 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. These four coins we are using presently. Presently we are using 4 coins, and 3 coins we are not using, that is 10 paisa coin, 25 paisa coin and 50 paisa coins. These 3 coins we are not using. And after that the 4 coins, after that 4 coins, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coins, 10 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins. These 5 coins we are using. This is our Indian currency we are using. In Indian currency these are coins we are using. We are using 4 coins we are using, and remaining that 3 coins we are not using. Okay. So here in Indian currency, so 1 rupee, this is rupee symbol, this is rupees. So rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 100 paisa make 1 rupee. 100 paisa make 1 rupee. It means 2 50 paisa coins, 4 25 paisa coins, 10 paisa coins makes 1 rupee. What is 1 rupee? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 2 rupees means 200 paisa. 3 rupees means 300 paisa. 4 rupees means 400 paisa. So this is the basic value. What is 1 rupee? 1 rupee is equivalent to 100 paise. 100 paisa make 1 rupee. Okay. So these things you have to remember. You should remember. So this concept for rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Okay. Now students, in Indian money, so now we are going to discuss about Indian currency notes. what Indian currency notes we are using? We are using. So in Indian currency notes, first 5 rupee notes we are using, 10 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes. See here, everything is there on the board. So 5 rupee note is given, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, then 50 rupees, then 100 rupees, then 200 rupees, then 500 rupees, then 2000 rupees. So these currency notes we are using. 5 rupee currency note, 10 rupee currency note, 20 rupee currency note. Then after that 50 rupee currency note, 100 rupee currency note, then 200 currency, then 500 currency note, then 2000 currency notes. So these 8 currency notes we are using. So in Indian currency, so these 8 Indian currency notes we are using. Okay, that is 5 rupee note and 10 rupee note and 20 rupees note. And after that 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 200 rupees note, then 500 rupees note, then 2000 rupees note. These are the Indian currency notes we are using. Okay, Indian currency coins and Indian currency notes what we are using. So in the first what we discuss, currency coins. In the second, in the Indian money, what currency notes we are using. Okay, and also 1 Indian rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Okay, here, so here 3 questions are given, A, B and C. A, B and C. In these 3 questions, some currency coins are given. So using these currency coins, we have to find the amount. First, what is given? See there, 5 currency coins are there. How many? 5 currency coins. So then 5 plus 5 plus 5. So then 5 rupee currency coins, 3 given. So then we have to add 5 3 times. Why? 5 rupee currency coins, 3 5 rupee coins are given, 3 5 rupee coins are given, then 5 plus 5 plus 5. Then after that 3 2 rupee coins are given. So that means we have to add 3 times 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. So then after that, so 2 1 rupee coins are given. 2 1 rupee coins are given. Then I have to add 1 plus 1 2 times. 1 plus 1 2 times. Then after that 50 paisa coin, 25 paisa coin. 150 paisa coin is given, 125 paisa coin is given. 50 paisa coin means 0.50. 50 paisa. It is in paisa means we have to take in decimal, 0.50. 25 paisa means 0.25. Now how to add? 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5, 10 plus 5 10, 11 12 13 14 15, 15 plus 2 16 17, 17 plus 2 18 19, 19 plus 2 20 21, till here 21, 22 23, total 23 rupees, 23 rupees. Then after that paisa, 50 paisa and 25 paisa, that is 75 paisa. So then paisa means 0.75, it shows paisa. After decimal, so whatever the digits are there, that digits shows paisa. Okay, so right digits after decimal, this is decimal right side. Decimal right side are paisa, left side values are rupees. 23 rupees 75 paisa. Then how to represent rupees symbol? The total amount is 23 rupees 75 paisa. First we have to add rupees. Then how many 5 rupee coins are there? 3 5 rupee coins are there. 3 2 rupee coins are there. 2 1 rupee coins are there. Then after that 150 paisa coin and 125 paisa coin is there. Then add all rupees till here. 5 3 the 15, 15 rupees, 16 17, 18 19, 20 21. 22 23, 23 rupees. Then after that 50 paisa and 25 paisa. 50 paisa and 25 paisa, that is 75 paisa, means 0.75, 75 paisa. So this is the total coins amount, okay. In the next question, so what is given in the next question? See, here again he has given 3 5 rupee coins. 3 5 rupee coins means 5 plus 5 plus 5 3 times. We have to add 5 3 times. Then after that, what is given? 3 2 rupee coins given. 3 2 rupee coins given. Then 3 2 rupees means 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 times we have to add 2 rupees. And 1 rupee coins 3 times given. So means 1 rupee we have to add 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 times. Then after that, 50 paisa coin. 3 50 paisa coins given. 3 50 paisa coin means 0.50 plus 0.50 plus 0.50. 3 50 paisa coins. And after that, 3 25 paisa coins given. 3 25 paisa. 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.25. Then 3 5 rupee coins, 3 2 rupee coins, 3 1 rupee coins, 3 50 paisa coins, 3 25 paisa coins given. Now, how to add? First we have to add rupees. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 times 5. 3 times 5, 15 already we did. And 3 times 2. If we add 3 times plus and 3 times 2, so then that is 21. Here we did 21. Then 3 ones, 21, 22, 23, 24. Till here 24 rupees. 24 rupees. Where? Till here 24 rupees. So rupees, all rupees over. Then now we count paisa. How to count paisa? Here 50 paisa plus 50 paisa. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa make 50 plus 50 is 100. 50 plus 50 is 100. 100 means that is 1 rupee. Already we discussed 100 paisa makes 1 rupee. 100 paisa makes 1 rupee. Means this 250 paisa makes 1 rupee. Till here we have 24 rupees and 250s make 1 rupee. 24 plus 1, 25 rupees. So this paisa we have to convert into rupees. How? 100 paisa makes 1 rupee. 250 paisa makes 1 rupee. So already till here we have 24 rupees. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 rupees till here 25 rupees. Then after that 50 paisa plus 25 paisa. 50 plus 25, 75. 75 plus 25, 75 plus 25 again 100. So 50 plus 25, 75. 75 plus 25, 100. Again 100 rupees, 100 paisa. 100 paisa means that is 1 rupee. That is 1 rupee. Till here 25 rupees. Till here 26 rupees. 26. Here 24, 25 and 26. 26. So then after that 0.25. 26.25. 26.25. The total amount is 26 rupees. Rupees symbol we have to write. Rupees 26.25. 26 rupees 25 paisa. 26 rupees 25 paisa. Again once you check, 3 5 rupee coins given, 3 2 rupee coins are given, 3 1 rupee coins are given. If you add all the coins till here, the sum is 24 till here. Then after that 50 paisa coins 3 given, 25 paisa coins 3 given. Now if add 250 paisa coins, that makes 1 rupee. Then till here you'll get 25. And 50 paisa plus 25 plus 25 again till here 100 paisa. 25 plus 1, 26. And this 25 paisa is left. Then 26.25. 26.25. This is the total amount. In the next question, see here, how many 5 rupee coins are given? 1 5 rupee coin is given, and 2 rupee coins 3. 1 2 3. 3 2 rupee coins are given, and 3 1 rupee coins are given. 1 5 rupee coin is given, 5. 3 2 rupee coins, 1 2 3. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 3 times. 3 2 rupee coins and 3 1 rupee coins, 1 2 3 means 1 3 times, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 5 rupee coin, 3 2 rupee coins, and 1 3 rupee coins, 3 1 rupee coins are given. So then after that 50 paisa coins, 1 2 50 paisa coins are given. 50 paisa means 0.50 plus 0.50. Okay, 250 paisa coins given. So then 25 paisa coin. So how many 25 paisa coins given? 1 2 3 3 25 paisa coins means plus 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.25. Now first we have to add rupees 5 plus 2. 5 6 7 7 plus 2 8 9 9 plus 2 10 11 11 plus 1 12 12 plus 1 13 13 plus 1 14 till here 14 rupees. So then 0.50 0.50 250 paisa coins, that is 1 rupee. 50 paisa plus 50 paisa, that is 100 paisa. 100 paisa means 1 rupee. So then 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9 9 plus 2 11 12 13 14 14 plus this is 1 rupee. 14 plus 1 15 rupees, and 25 paisa 25 paisa 25 paisa 3 times, then that is 25 plus 25 50 paisa, 50 plus 25 75 paisa. It means the total amount is rupees 15 rupees 75 paisa. 15 rupees 75 paisa. First we have to add the rupee coins, 5 rupees 2 rupees and 1 rupee coins. Then after that 250 paisa coins, that is 1 rupee. So that also we have to include in rupees. Then after that 3 25 paisa coins, that is 75. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, this is equal to 1 rupee. 15 rupees 75 paisa. So this is the total amount. Okay.